What if I told you that 3 of the biggest AI tools for creators are now available with free access? I'm talking about Grok AI, Seedance 2.0, and Kling AI. This update could save you money while giving you access to powerful AI video generation tools that were previously much more limited. In this video, I'll show you exactly what's free, how to access each tool, what the current limits are, and which one gives you the best results. Let's jump in.
Guys, this is the name of the website we'll be using for today. So this is the website. On this website, you can use this website to create videos for free, and they are going to give you free credit. So this is the name of the website up here, as you are seeing the name here. So if you want to log into this website, you can go and search the name on your Google, or I will leave down the link to this website in the description or the comment section of this video. Now, when you sign in or you click on the link, it's going to bring you to an interface like this. And when you try to register or you want to log into the platform and it does not work for you, because I was also trying to log into the platform, it was not working for me. So all you need to do is to use VPN. If you use VPN, it's going to connect and it's going to show you the interface like this. Now, this is what you need to do. As you can see, all you just need to do is just to click on join now. You are going to see join now by your right hand side here. I don't know, maybe you are seeing it in the left hand side, but on my side it is right hand side. Now you click on this join now. Now after you click on join now, all you just need to do is just to log in and register with your Gmail account. And when you log in and register with your Gmail account, they are going to give you free credit. So make sure you pay attention very well. There is a new thing I'm going to show you how you can use this platform, and you're going to be getting a lot of credit from this platform that you are going to be using to generate videos. So make sure you pay attention very well. Now let me sign in with my Gmail account. Now immediately you sign in, it's going to bring you to an interface like this. Now as you can see, they are going to give you free 300 credit, and after they give you free 300 credit, this type of interface is going to pop up like this. Don't click anywhere. As you can see, they say stay updated and get 300 credit. Now once you close this, the offer is gone. So you don't have to close this, you have to leave it on this interface. Don't close it, just allow it to load, and you are going to receive another additional 300 credit, because when we register, they give us 300 credit here. Now when we wait and we click on this button here, we are going to get another additional 300 credit. So it's going to give us 600 credits. So that is why I ask you guys to watch this video, don't skip any part. Now all we just have to do, just click on claim credit here, and when we click on it, as you can see, you are going to claim another 300 credits. As you can see, they have given us this 300 credits right now. 300 credits has been added. So now when you check our account here, our credit balance here is going to increase. So let's give it some minutes, and it's going to increase right now, and you guys are going to see it. Now when you check our credit balance right now, it has increased to 600 credits. As you can see, before it was 300 credits, but we claim another 300 credits, and that makes it 600 credits. Now when you check here, you are going to see Seedance 2.0, you are going to see AI image, you are going to see AI video template, Nano Banana Pro, image background remover. You are going to see a lot of things. As you can see, Seedance 5.0, Seedance 2.0, you are going to see a lot of them. Now when you come to this interface here, by your left hand side, you are going to see image, you are going to see video. So now let's try to generate videos with this platform. Now let's click on video here. You click on video by your left hand side here. As you can see my cursor here, just click on this video side here. Now when you click on video, it's going to open like this, and you are going to see different type of model they have. As you can see right now, it's on Grok. Now if you want to change it, you can decide to change it. As you can see, they have Grok here, they have Seedance 2, they have Google Omni, they have a lot of them, but I want us to use Grok, the first one here. I want us to use Grok. Now with this Grok, you can also generate video up to 15-second video. Now all we have to do, as you can see, they say start image here. If you have image you want to use, you can upload the image here and put your prompt here, and after you put your prompt, you hit on generate, and it's going to generate your video. Now let's upload. Let me upload one image from my phone and show you guys how this platform works. Now let's try to upload an image. So let's upload this image. I want us to use this image. Let's click on open. Now after uploading the image, let me paste my prompt here. I've already have my prompt, so let me paste my prompt here. And after pasting my prompt, the next thing I'm going to do is to click on generate video. As you can see, this video is going to cost us 130 credits. I forgot to set the time. Let me set the time. Let's set the time. As you can see, 5 seconds, you can put it 5 seconds, you can put it 6 seconds, 10 seconds, 12 seconds, depend on the second you put it. That is how the credit is going to increase. So let's put it on, let me use 5 seconds. Let me just use 5 seconds for example, and leave this at 720p, and you with sound, as you can see, with sound, you tap with sound, with audio, sorry, and the next thing you click on generate. And when you click on generate, in less than some minutes, it's going to generate the video for us. So let's wait for some minutes so that we are going to see our result of the video is going to generate for us. Now, as you can see, it's generating the video here. It's generating the video. So let's allow it to load so that we are going to get our result. Now you can see how many credits we have remaining, which you can be using to generate videos on this platform. All you just need to do is just log out after the credit is finished, and you log in with new Gmail account, and you are going to start creating videos again, because they are going to give you another credit, and you are going to be using it to generate videos for free. You can use any AI model. You can use Seedance 2.5, any AI model you want. You can use it to generate videos on this platform. Now, finally, the video has been generated. As you guys can see, this is the video here. I don't want to play the video right now, but this is the video. You can download the video to your phone. If you want to download it, you are going to see download up here. Are you guys seeing it? You just click on it, and the video is going to download to your phone. So if you want to generate more, just upload a new image and you start generating videos using this platform. So this is how you can use the platform to generate videos.